Welcome to the Human Rights Department Cadre Training Program Info Session. This session will cover the following: Cadre Training Program components, the content areas, what we're looking for in a trainer, the application process, and timelines. Human Rights Cadre trainers are active CTA members who are passionate about racial and social justice and love to empower and educate others. The Human Rights Cadre Training Program supports members who are passionate about developing racial and social justice perspectives of other CTA members. Locals can work with their CTA primary contact staff and human rights regional staff to learn how to bring cadre trainings to their local chapter and to build them into chapter equity plans. We are looking for individuals with strong adult learning, teaching, and facilitation skills who are willing to advocate for educators, students in the community. We're looking for individuals who understand CTA's mission, focus, and vision, as well as have training and content expertise in racial and social justice issues. And most importantly, are committed to delivering an authentic, inspiring, and transformative program for CTA members. Here are the members of the Cadre Advisory Committee. The Cadre Advisory Committee is responsible for making recommendations regarding the Human Rights Cadre Training Program to the CTA Board of Directors. The committee also conducts cadre applicant interviews and selection of trainers. Human Rights Cadre trainers commit to a 3-year term, work with Human Rights Department staff, and meet and connect with other cadre trainers. Cadre trainers are volunteers. However, approved travel expenses are reimbursed. Training requests come from CTA conferences, service center councils, and local chapters across California. The cadre training sessions are divided into 5 content areas. There are transformative social-emotional learning, racial justice advocacy, LGBTQ+ leadership advocacy, women's leadership advocacy, and BIPOC leadership advocacy. Here is the application timeline. The applications are available now. It is an online application. You can find it at cta.org/cadre. The deadline for applications is March 14th. After a paper screening, applicants will be invited for virtual interviews in April. Applicants can expect to be notified by May whether or not they have been accepted into the program. All newly selected trainers are required to attend a 2-day cadre orientation at the CTA headquarters in Burlingame. The exact date will be announced. What educators shared they would like in a cadre trainer? We are looking for someone with knowledge and commitment of racial and social justice, someone who is experienced teaching and facilitating content with adults, someone who's actively working towards anti-racism personally and professionally, someone with strong interpersonal skills, and someone who supports CTA's mission and educator empowerment. Trainer requirements. All trainers are required to be an active CTA member. New trainers must attend the cadre trainer orientation in June. All trainers must participate in a content area writing team. All trainers must attend a monthly Cadre trainer support meeting, and all trainers must conduct at least one Cadre training a year. The application. The Cadre trainer application is an online application. You will fill it out online. The application consists of information, applicant information, 6 short answer questions. The application must be electronically signed. Also, we require 2 letters of recommendation. One letter must be from someone with a personal knowledge of the candidate's training skills, and the other must be from a CTA leader. An example of a CTA leader is a chapter president or exec board member, a site rep, a CTA or NEA board member, or a member of the Service Center Council Steering Committee. All applicants must submit a sample training or workshop that can be an outline of a training that you conducted, or it could be a sample of your slide presentation. If you have questions about the Human Rights Cadre Training Program or the application process, please email them to humanrightscadre@cta.org.